If you are one of those people that love to do everything on your phone or like your iPad, then hopefully I got just the thing for you and me. All right. I'm going to be unboxing the Samsers. It is a keyboard, full-size folding keyboard and mouse. Okay. Let's see what we got inside. All right. Hopefully I can get this open pretty easily. All right, it says record every inspiration. All right, I haven't seen this before, so we're gonna learn about this together. Okay, all righty, let's see what we got inside here. All right, first things first, it is, I don't know, let's open it up. And this is, a warranty card. Okay. All right, a thank you card. All right, and this is, looks like the user manual. All right, we're going to set that aside. And it says foldable keyboard. Okay, so this obviously shows you how to set this up. All right, so you can connect this keyboard to more than one thing. Like if you have a phone and an iPad, you'll click the 1 or 2 button and connect the iPad and the mouse to whichever phone or whatever you're using. And look at here, it comes with a little case. Okay, all right, sounds good to me. All right, get that hair off of here. All right, let's see what we got inside. Okay, we have, looks like this is the phone stand. You know, if you have a little cell phone, you can stand it up on that. And here is the charger. Okay, there. And we have, can you see? And we have our mouse. We have a mouse, and here is our, check out the case. That is very cool, where you can store all your things in there, keep them together, you won't lose nothing. And here is our foldable keyboard. Okay, oh, it's a nice midnight blue. I love it. I like it. I like it. Okay, so it is a 3 folding mouse there. Here is, it looks like that is the on button. Here is where you charge it. And I'm going to give you a little quick look at the keyboard here. See there? Looks very sturdy. And it folds away like that, like so. I'm liking that so far. Okay, and what is this? Oh, that's just the folder. Okay. All right, so I am going to go ahead and turn this baby on, this on switch here. All right, and as I said, for connecting, if you want it, there are, I believe, 3 different ways you can connect this. USB, where you can plug and play into your laptop. Let's say we want to connect to our phone. I'm going to go into my Bluetooth settings, and I am going to see if it is pulling up. So I'm going to go ahead and push the number F2 Bluetooth. It is looking for this now. Let's see if I see it up here. Oh, there it is. So it's pulling up. It says the Samsers KMO104. So I'm pushing on that. And it says Bluetooth pairing request. Samsung would like to pair with your iPhone. So I'm going to click pair. And I'm waiting for it to pair. And it is connected. It is connected. So then I'm going to go ahead and open up this this stand here. And I'm gonna set that phone on the stand. Let me figure out how to use this first. Oh, there we go. Okay, there you go. All right, so see, there's the stand, and I'm gonna set it on up, and you can lean it further if you need to. And there it is, my phone on the stand. Oh, gotta set it back further so you can see. Phone is on the stand, and now I am going to set up my mouse. Okay, so I have my phone set up on the number 2 Bluetooth setting. So I'm gonna turn this on here, and I'm gonna push that button for it to go down to the number 2. It's blinking on number 2, and it says, now I am looking for the Samsers KM. It says a mouse. All right. It says Bluetooth pairing request. I can show you that Bluetooth pairing request. I'm going to click pair. All right. And now it is connected to my phone. I don't want to show you all my business on my phone, but now the mouse is connected on my phone. I don't know if you can see that, but the mouse is now connected to my phone. So then I can go ahead and type something. I'm going to type something in my search bar. All right. Oh my gosh, I wish you could see this. Hold on. I'm going to show you that I typed my name. Hold on. Anyway, I can't show you what it's pulling up because it's pulling up my information. However, I just want you to know that it was very easy and simple to set up my phone to the mouse and the keyboard. That is amazing. It's like almost like instant. It would have been even faster if I hadn't just opened this up and I was learning how to use it myself. Okay, but that is amazing. And correct me if I'm wrong. You can set up 2 different things. Like I can set up my phone, and I can set up, like I might have an iPad or a pad and switch back and forth while I'm using both of them. I can switch back and forth with the mouse and with the pad, and actually 3 things, because if I set up a laptop, I can use the plug for the laptop, and I have the plug for the laptop, and I have 2 other Bluetooth settings that I can go back and forth, or all of those at the same time. So let's say I'm doing something with my phone and I'm using my iPad and my laptop. Okay, this is an ideal solution. And look, when you're done, you just can close it up and put all this away right here. Okay, fit that in here. Put your mouse in here. I got to turn it off. Your mouse fits here or here, and look at that. And then the cell phone holder, or does it go here? Anyway, you could put all of those things in here, and that is awesome. Awesome and amazing. Okay, I think this goes here. I'll figure it out. But that is super cool, right? Super cool. All right, so if this seems like something that you're interested in having for yourself, I'm gonna leave a link down below. Okay, and if this was helpful to you, go ahead and follow, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video.